Hello, my name's Bob Willis. Why not join us for the Rework Challenge, a competition where you can pit your skills against the best. It's part of the Rework Experience that I've organised with IPC, NPL and the SMART Group. Now, the competition is based on a printed circuit board that incorporates a QFP, a BGA, a CSP and a QFN package. And you'll be asked to rework these boards. Now, the techniques that you can use for the plastic BGA is either solder paste, dip solder paste, gel or flux. And basically the same materials can be used for the CSP package. When we talk about the QFN package, we can print solder paste directly onto the package prior to placement and reflow on the printed circuit board as a method of rework and repair. In addition, the quad flat pack is a package that we can point solder individual terminations, or we can drag solder, or alternatively you can use conventional solder paste printed onto the printed circuit board and reflow solder. In addition, we'll have the opportunity of you reworking your own boards which feature conformal coating. We'll show you some techniques, but also give you the opportunity to use what we consider to be the best technique for rework and repair of conformal coating. So why not join us in the Rework Experience or participate in the Rework Challenge?